Guys, you're welcome over here. So in this video we are going to learn how to fix YouTube not opening problem or YouTube not working problem. So if you're facing this problem, this is how to fix it. But before we start, please tap on the subscribe button, like the video, and also share the video with your friends. So let's continue. So tap on the settings if you want to fix this problem. Then after that, tap on apps and notifications. Then what you have to do is to tap on the see all apps. So we have to wait, it's loading. After that, tap on the see all apps. And after that, what you have to do next is to search for YouTube. So when you finally tap on it, so after tapping on it, check the notifications. Make sure every notification is really turned on over here, which is really important. And check the permissions over here. Make sure every permission is allowed. After that, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache, then declare the cache. So after that, what you have to do next is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. Then you make sure the background data is toggled on. So after that, lastly, tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. So when you do this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So tap on Google Play Store. After that, try to search for YouTube. So as you can see, this is YouTube. So what you have to do is to make sure you update it. So as you can see, mine is already updated. So I have open over here. So if yours is not updated, you are going to see update over here. You're going to see update over there. So when you see the update, tap on it. After updating, you are going to see it change to open. It's going to be it's going to move from updates to open after updating it. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device. To tap on OK to restart it. After that, what you have to do is to just wait. After restarting, then you use it, everything is going to work successfully. So this is how to fix YouTube not opening or not working problem. See you in the next one. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Bye.